The intention with the Skills Factory was to create opportunities to raise awareness around environmental issues, but also to develop knowledge around the subjects in sustainable construction, renewable energy solutions and domestic retrofit.
So the courses that we've designed allow us to work with a variety of students. That can include apprentices that are on HNCs, HNDs, degree programs to look at how they can use renewable technologies within their learning and in their industries. It's also allowed us to work with industry professionals that need to upskill and redevelop their skills to meet the emerging technologies and the emerging needs of industry. In the creation of the Skills Factory, it also allowed us to work with professional institutes, for example the Chartered Institute of Building and the Institute of Civil Engineers, as well as our employer representative bodies supported by Kent Invicta Chamber of Commerce.
We've got partnerships at the moment with Retrofit Academy, so we can provide courses around the roles and responsibilities required in the retrofit process.
So with the courses that we've designed, we've made sure that we've made these as accessible to all students as possible, with some of our courses being online, blended, face-to-face, and using some of the most high-tech resources that are out there on the market. The Lucas Neal training rig allows us to create a full smart grid, including generating power using renewable technologies.
And it's not just about the resources, it's about having the staff who are knowledgeable and passionate about delivering courses that industry need.
So the Skills Factory is made out of 9 porter cabins that were at end of life, and what we've done to them is retrofit them and refit them within an inch of their life, insulating them, cladding them, air source pumps, solar panels, to actually demonstrate the renewable practices in action. The college is not just stopping there, it's looking at how to hit the net zero target the college has set itself.